back to Talamari. This is Cami and with me Amar. Today we're giving you reviews of 2 movies.
Hollywood movies.
Yes, Hollywood movies. You know we love horror.
Yes.
So this is something we've been wanting to start for a very long time. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. And we will give you, like always, genuine reviews. We will not go with whatever the public is saying.
Yes.
So today we will start with Afraid, which is basically a movie that it's about the dangers of AI. That is basically the movie. It is nothing new. There are several movies about this. The main reason we went to watch the movie is because of the actor, which I don't remember his name, but I know he's good.
मेरे को भी नहीं पता.
Okay, but he is great actor, so we went to watch because of that. And Blumhouse, they also have really great horror movies. So in the beginning, they introduced the story of a different family with different characters.
I missed it, by the way. I was not there in the theater. I just थोड़ा सा late.
Yeah, so they started, and there they live like in a cliffhanger to what happened to that family, that they had that AI. And then they cut to the new story with the new family, new actor, and all this stuff. So for me, the first thing, and that is something we had already discussed about the movie, and is that they focus so much on the family, like the dynamic that they have, the background of everyone,
even the kids, but they didn't give any proper background to the AI. Yes.
And that is something that I feel that it is very necessary, because this AI is like that it can reach anywhere. Anywhere. And by anywhere I mean even your radio, which it shouldn't.
वो digest नहीं हुआ भाई, क्योंकि इंटरनेट नहीं है, रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी है. वो कैसे उसको वो हैक करके.
And only one radio. That is the main thing. Like,
correct.
If you can hack a radio station, one channel, I can understand, but you're hacking only one radio. So how an AI that is cloud-based has so much power, I don't understand.
कुछ explanation नहीं है. Zero explanation they give that who created that AI, who were the test subjects, who were the guys who were like selling that AI to the people. क्या उसका database था, कहाँ से उनके पास पैसा आया, क्यों उस फैमिली को, मतलब whenever they choose a family, why they choose that specific family. वो जो एक थोड़ा सा स्पॉइलर में दूंगा, एक मास्क है मूवी में जो दिखा है, वो मास्क कौन बनाता था, that people wear, मतलब कुछ नहीं, बस AI है, तुम्हारी आंचों देगा, खत्म. In short, it is like that. एक छोटा सा AI रोबोट है, रोबोट भी नहीं है, तो एक तो ट्यूबलाइट के ऊपर बल्ब लगा दिए हैं, वही है वो, और कुछ नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से तो. और वो बस सब कर सकता है भाई, वो कुछ भी ठीक है. Like 80% of the thing you can digest, because everything is like nowadays it is smart home, smart watch, smart car, everything is smart. So we can understand that it can hack and it can do whatever it wants. But there are things which is like कैसे, how come, कैसे इसको इतना पता है भाई, कैसे कर रहा है ये, कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन ही नहीं है. और एंडिंग भी सेटिस्फाइंग नहीं है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. मेरे को तो नहीं मजा आया भाई, मेरे को इनका नहीं पता, मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगा था एंडिंग. के अगर ये एंडिंग दिखाना तो थोड़ा तो एक्सप्लेन करो कि एआई आया किधर से. इंटरवल तक तो एआई का कुछ वो था ही नहीं, बैक स्टोरी. इंटरवल के बाद थोड़ा सा कि हाँ ये है वो है, बट ठीक है, मतलब मेरे को तो नहीं हुआ भाई.
Yes, and more than that, like if you think carefully, like the movie feels like it was written by AI itself. If you think like they started the movie and then they're like, okay, what do we do with this idea? So let's put it in ChatGPT and just let it finish. I feel like it is like that. It is like I said, they spend so much time spending like
in the family.
Why the daughter is like this, why the kid is like this. Like for me, it didn't have. Especially they spend a lot of time on the mom
and daughter.
Yes.
Mom and daughter.
Which generally it has no value to the story. Just like everyone got attached to it, and then they allowed to do everything. But like for example, even the police, the doctors, everyone was controlled by that AI.
Yes.
How it is possible, we don't know. They give like a 1 minute, I think so, video on how it was created. That basically it was a happy AI bot.
हाँ, जो मेरे से मिस हुआ था, जो स्टार्टिंग में जो दिखा है.
It was a happy AI bot, and then they started doing trials and errors with it, and then everything was very bad. You know, people also abuse of technology and they do things they shouldn't. So it basically became corrupted. And then it decided that it was going to do everything on its own and that supposedly it was going to find family. So it has this much power that it is brainwashing people
Yes.
into doing whatever it wants.
And AI was horny. That I didn't understand. Why AI was horny for the hero?
Yes.
वो क्यों उसको भाई क्यों AI है वो, उसको क्या जरूरत है सेक्स का? She was like influencing one girl just to have some fun with the hero. नहीं पता. One more thing I'll say, maybe it is a spoiler, I don't know. There's one guy who sells the AI. He has some sort of disease they show in the movie. Something was there, he was dying or something like that. कोई बैक स्टोरी नहीं है उसका.
No one has backstory besides the main family.
हाँ.
You will not understand anything.
क्यों उसको कैंसर था, कुछ तो था भाई के पेट में, कुछ ऐसा something was there, but बस चल रहा है भाई पिक्चर. 1.5 घंटे का पिक्चर, 1.5 घंटे का भी नहीं है, 80 मिनट्स का मूवी है, तो इट इज नॉट लाइक यू विल गेट बोर्ड. नहीं, बोर तो कहीं पे भी नहीं होगा, बट एंडिंग वाज वेरी लाइक,
It was very bad ending.
हाँ, बैड एंडिंग.
It was super bad, and the worst part is that there is post-credit scene.
वो तो हम देखे ही.
We didn't even stay to watch. Then later we just read about it, which is basically that then the AI
Reached to the world.
yes, it
Simple.
is getting sold and everything. So
हाँ.
they can leave it for another movie, but I don't think they should,
नहीं,
because they didn't even explain anything. Like there's no grounds for anything. Like it is generally just a movie created by ChatGPT. I
Yes.
think it is
Yes.
like that. So it is disappointment.
So how
By
many
this
stars you will
Blumhouse.
give?
Because the acting was good. That is the
Okay.
saving grace. I would say the acting of everyone was really good, but more than that, it is fine for me.
1 star because of the hero. बस पिक्चर छोटा था,
Yes,
बहुत छोटा था,
yes.
इसलिए 1 star.
Yeah, there are better movies if you want to watch about AI taking over the world.
हाँ.
So I would say skip this movie.
Yes,
Don't
yes,
consider
skip this movie. हम लोग से हो गया गलती, but तुम लोग मत करो.
Yes. So the second movie was Blink Twice.
Starring Channing Tatum.
Yes. And other people
Yes.
that I generally I don't remember the names. You already know by now. The movie is basically it is about one woman that she meets a rich guy, and then her dreams come true. She goes to a mansion. Everyone is having fun. Everyone is partying, but there is something weird happening.
Yes.
Something odd that they're not able to understand what it is, and then the movie just goes around that. You generally throughout the movie you will not understand what is going on. Everything seems so good, everything seems perfect, like a dream, but it is clearly said that everything that shines is not gold.
Yes.
And it happens in this movie.
First half is just drugs, smoking, dancing, that's it. But second half, your mind will just
Yes.
like that. Completely, it will blow your mind. The storyline is like something else. We have never seen this type of movie. Usually, they show that there's an island and people get stuck. Something is going on, like some murder, serial killer, monster. Nah, this is something else. You will not spoil it because it will a spoiler, a big spoiler for you guys.
Yeah.
So, but the way they crafted the storyline, it was like actually very good. There are like few like timelines is also like here there, thoda sa. It goes in between. Like the movie name is Blink Twice, and they actually put some flashes of like previous scenes. Like if you blink, you will miss that scene. They just show. So once the climax will come, then you will realize, okay, so they were showing this thing, and that was very surprising. A very new type of cinema, I'll say, that usually we don't watch. Usually they show everything in the trailer. Nowadays it is like that they show everything in the trailer.
Even throughout the movie, you will not understand what the heck is going on till
Yes.
the end.
Like and 10-15 minutes you'll understand.
Yes, it is like so good.
Yes.
So good. They built up so good and so
Yes.
well that although they give you clues from the beginning, like you'll get little clues about what is happening to the main actors. Like someone has a bruise or someone has something, and then you'll be like, oh, okay, you will dismiss it because
Yes.
they're just doing random shit. They're getting
Yes.
drunk and everything, so you'll think it is fine. But then when it goes to the ending, then you'll be like, oh, okay, so they were showing this because it was connected to X or Y.
And this movie is like that usually in every suspense thriller movies you will have doubt on someone always. Like one guy or one girl will be like, नहीं ये तो हरामखोर है.
Yeah.
But in this movie, you will not doubt anyone because everybody is like, अरे everybody is so good. Everyone is so good. They are in their own world. They are just having fun in the mansion. मतलब not even like 1% you will doubt someone that something big is happening in that place and someone is the mastermind of this thing.
Generally, Amar, like when you will go to this type of movies, you see Channing Tatum holding the camera, so you will think he's the culprit.
Yes.
And the main thing is that it is not so simple.
No.
Everything is not what it seems. And generally, like the movie will do everything to pinpoint you one person, but then when they actually reveal everything, you will not believe that.
Yes.
What it was.
And main part is the climax. You will not understand that what will happen in the climax also.
Yes.
You can't guess it. It is not possible. It is like very like super satisfying type of climax. They're like, अरे ये तो एक नंबर हुआ. This was the best way to end this movie, to end this story. मतलब बहुत ही बढ़िया. और क्या बोले, एकदम बढ़िया एंडिंग किया है.
Another thing that I wanted to say is that it was an amazing debut for the director.
अरे हाँ, correct.
That is another thing
Correct.
that we forgot. It is her first movie, Zoe Kravitz, if I'm not wrong.
You know who is that woman?
She
She's
was
the Catwoman of Batman.
yeah,
Recently made
Robert
Batman.
Pattinson.
Yes, Twilight वाला hero का Batman.
Yes, it is her. It is very unexpected.
हाँ.
Because generally you wouldn't expect that she's so good. Like it
Making
would
this
be
type of movie.
Yes, it is so different. It is generally when they said it is to the level of Get Out. I'll say this one is even a bit better.
Yes.
You will have no clue. At least in Get Out,
You will understand in the end
that something is
Yes.
wrong from the beginning.
Yes.
Like at least before half of the movie, you'll understand something is wrong. But this movie is like you will not be able to pinpoint what the heck is happening.
This is like I'll say from the first movie only Zoe come close to Jordan Peele. So Jordan Peele is famous for making these type of movies. He already made Us, then Get Out, and recently what movie Nope is there. So yes, this movie is on that like level.
Yes.
Ek number for me.
Yes. Now going to the acting, everyone did an amazing job. The casting, they did.
The casting is so good.
Yes, everyone they picked so perfectly. They took care of every single detail. Like nothing is just because it is like that. No, everything has a reason in here from the beginning till the end. Whoever appears in between, there is a reason. You will not even believe who is the main heroine by the end of the movie, because it is not whoever they shown us or whoever appears more on the screen. And the last thing I will say is that the ending is very satisfying.
Yes, that is what I said.
Yes. Very satisfying ending. Overall, from the beginning till the end, this movie is
Will blow your mind.
Mind.
Blow your mind.
Yes, it is perfection. It is simply
Yes.
so well done. It's like
I'll not say perfection है थोड़ा सा मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा नीट पिकिंग कर रहा हूँ बट एक दो कैरेक्टर है जो थोड़ा ज़्यादा उनके बारे में बताना था. हाँ ठीक है इनको ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा.
अरे Amar, nowadays getting these types of movies.
हाँ तो मैं कुछ बोल थोड़ी रहा हूँ भाई.
For me, the main thing being the first movie you make, starting so good.
3.5 इतना नहीं मास्टरपीस के लेवल में नहीं डालने का. अच्छा मूवी like above average movie.
The main thing I love is that I was not able to guess.
हाँ तो
That for me
is
नहीं था. A lot of happiness.
Yes.
But overall, guys, go watch it.
Yes.
It is very good.
It is not in theaters now.
But
please watch whenever it comes in OTT. Don't miss this movie.
yes,
Please.
and don't watch with your parents or kids. At least don't watch with kids.
हाँ, don't watch with kids. It will influence थोड़ा सा. Nowadays तो kids are वैसे भी छोड़ो हम क्या बोले.
So thank you so much for watching. Remember that every single day from Monday till Friday. Now we're trying to give that schedule.
Yes.
To give you guys content. If we're able to post on the weekends, we will also do that. We're trying our best to put everything.
And please let us know how you like these type of reviews because we are going to watch a number of movies these days. Whatever we will watch, we will put out the review. So please let us know guys. And if you want that we watch something that you like, let us know.
Yes, you let us know. It may take some time,
हाँ.
but we will do.
Movies.
Yes, movies.
Yes.
Yes, we will do.
हाँ.
If you have any recommendation, just put it down below. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Bye.